Hey everybody, I got my new cleaning cloth came in. Very durable. I love it because I'm able to reuse it over and over again. These towels are amazing cleaning towel. Very good when you rubbing out dirt because they're I got these little pockets here that will clean very well and very absorbent into liquid, the water. So I got a cup of water here. I can put this towel in and it will suction all these water. This is a lot of water for one towel. So let me demonstrate what it looked like. As you can see already, the towel, it's already suctioned up 90% of the water right there. As you can see, with just by putting this in there, it already suctioned up 90% of the water. You see that? I'm squeezing all the water back out. The towel itself is very soft. Stitching wise, it looks very durable. Stitching is amazing. The towel can pretty much cleans anything, rub anything, and all I gotta do is throw it back in the dishwasher. Throw it back in the washing machine, and it's good to go. The price point is actually pretty good. I got two towels for every color. Comes in one package, and overall, I really like these towels. They feel very nice and soft in my hand. Cleaning is a breeze because it's a easy wipe. Scrubbing for kitchen cleaning, for dish cleaning. So it's a perfect towel versus all those other towel that after you use for a little while, they get dull and get torn and rip. These, for my experience of using them for a little while, they works pretty well. I hope you guys like it. This is my new 100% bamboo dish towel, friendly clean rub.